As the technical arm of AM.CO.ZA, Machine.Africa is responsible for the installation of machines on the client's premises. In this case, it is an ATC EasyRouter. The basic installation includes the dust collector with its dual-column vacuum suction system, the water pump and its plumbing system, the dust collector, the water pump, and the machine itself then need to be connected to the main control box. And the control box needs to be connected to the three-phase electrical supply that the client is responsible for. Lubricant oil is applied to the machine. Adjustable feet are fitted on each leg to ensure that the table is level to the floor, and the air regulator is installed on the side of the machine. Once power is established, the technicians start programming the tool change operations, making sure that all 16 tool changing options work effectively. And once that is done, it is time to put the machine to work. And the technicians conclude their function by teaching the client the basic operating functions of the machine. Visit Machine.Africa to find out more.
At AM.CO.ZA, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.